Alright, militia note. I'm tearing it up today. Making some beautiful 2x material. These could have been 29 and a half, but that rough edge come up a little short. Trying to chase other 24s out of the block, I'm sure. You got what you got to make the head. We got 29s, we needed 24s. You just leave the extra if you're going to make 24s. That is unless you wanted fills. That's something different. So, I did a big cleanup today. We're down on the saw, bearings getting changed. They just did some parts on it. And I have to go back through it. Stuff happens. But that did give everybody, as far as this side of the chessboard is concerned, to kind of figure out, alright, this is topology, this is the chessboard. It's actually black up in the top left corner instead of white. Now when you go to play chess, if you don't understand how much that'll fuck you up, how fucking dead you are, you gotta rise. You gotta say that's the chessboard. You gotta say this is the Horseman Cipher. Today, instead of taking K1, the chessboard, we're saying that that's white, black, A's and 1s, refracted lasers, polarized wave functions in that form. Going in here, that being our first order, general relativity. Then there's my variable on it. You could say that that's F, X, Y in parentheses relative to Hubble time in parentheses. You're going to use some kind of equation base for this. You could say that that's Y squared. X and Y are first position, second position, determined on the fourth. So not only does that play off on the board, it plays off on what actions I'll do, and later on what actions other people will do. So sometimes you'll see some heavy-duty equations like a diversion to variable equation. Essentially, it's a turbulence flow. If I knew this by math, or I knew this by engineering, graphing functions, it's better for me to apply that model here. You're getting into a lot of them sigma sums with offset 1s and 2s, and 3s and 4s, a lot of derivative T, derivative U. That U is a coefficient. That means somebody said F parentheses X, Y, parentheses Y to the second power, and then when you want to get into the third, it's this. So that's why this can be X a stone mill, Y1, X on that X-axis, and on a Pensbro through the black holes, also a Stanford class grading your test. Catch you on the next one.